Hello everyone, I am Mamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is Democracy of India. Democracy of India is the biggest democracy in the world. Generally, democracy means the government of the people, by the people, for the people. Democracy is one of the form of government in which people elect their representatives to govern the nation. There are two types of democracy. One is direct democracy and another is indirect democracy. Democracy of India. India got independence on 15 August 1947. On 26 January 1950, India became the republic as people of India adopted the Constitution of India. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic country. As we discussed above, there are two types of democracy. India is indirect democracy. Indirect democracy, people of the state elect their representatives to represent them, and all the representatives from the state elect their head and government. For instance, in India, people elect their representatives, therefore members of the parliament in the general election of Lok Sabha, and the majority of representatives elect the prime minister. Similarly, at the state level, people elect their representatives, therefore member of the legislative assembly in the general election of the legislative assembly, and the majority of representatives elects chief minister. Features of Indian democracy. Sovereign is one of the most important pillar of democracy of India. Generally, every democracy is based upon sovereignty. Every Indian citizen above the age of 18 is given right to vote irrespective of their caste, color, creed, religion and gender. They are given the right to choose their representatives. Representatives run the government, and the government is responsible to the general public for the commission and omissions they make. Formation of governments in India based on the majority after the election. The party obtains the majority of votes from the government, so the majority rules are a feature of India democracy. India democracy is an ideal democracy where people get various fundamental rights which are essential in a free society. To be a healthy democracy, there must be freedom of speech and expression, and the same right is given in Indian democracy, where we can criticize government, ask a question to government and free discussion on government policies. An ideal democracy totally depends upon the rule of law. In India, Constitution of India is the supreme. The supreme of law overall is one of the most important feature of Indian democracy. In every form of government, the judiciary plays a vital role. The independent judiciary is the pillar of every democracy. In India, judiciary is not dependent upon the executive and legislature. The judiciary is not influence executive and legislature. Independent election also an important component of Indian democracy, as India is the largest democracy in the world. The Constitution of India established the Election Commission of India, and it's free and independent, of the people, by the people and for the people. Challenges faced by Indian democracy: communalism, casteism, regionalism, insurgency, terrorism, illiteracy, corruption, socio-economic inequalities. Democracy in India facing various problems such as communalism, casteism, regionalism, insurgency, terrorism, illiteracy, etc. These problems are affecting the basic concept of India, as many people and organizations are trying to disturb the spirit of democracy in India. Ugly heads in the country and created many problems like communalism. India is a secular country which means freedom to profess, practice and propagate the religion without interfering with that of others. There is no official religion of the country. All religions are equal before the law. But for the political motive, many political parties use religion as a weapon for winning the election, as they do not have any planning for the development in the country, but they try to catch the religious support by making the conflict between two religions, and this issue is dangerous to democracy in India. India democracy is not weak as it looks like, because the basic structure of the democracy is embodied in the Constitution of India. In other words, the Constitution of the India is the supreme in India and no one is above it. Indian democracy facing many problems, however, every time the democratic value is getting much stronger because of the will of the people. In conclusion, the people of India know the struggle of their freedom fighter and the value of freedom. So this is all about democracy of India. If you have any question related to this, please mention in the comment box, and please like this video and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law channel. And if you have any question related to democracy of India, please mention in the comment box. And thank you and have a nice day.